Hello student, today we are starting the last exercise of second chapter. In this exercise, this is about the subtrahend and addend. So what is the subtrahend and addend? Subtrahends are a quantity or a number to be subtracted from another, that is called the subtrahend, and the addend are called any of the number that are added together. For example, if you are adding the two numbers 23, 24, they are called addend. Okay, so this is, let's see, the first question is solve use model to help you. So here is given one model 612 plus this is a blank space and 948. So how we will get this number? We will get this number by the subtraction. If we will subtract this number 612 from the 948, so we get this answer. Okay, so 948 and 612. Okay, so 8 minus 2 6, 4 minus 1 3, and 9 minus 6 3. So here 336. The B question is same, and we will take the C question. Here is a blank space minus 847, and answer is 1238. So how we will get this answer? So we will subtract, we will add these numbers 1238 and 847. Okay, so 8 plus 7 15, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2085. So we will write here the answer 2085. Okay, E 9408, and which number we will subtract? 1138. Okay, so how we will find out this number? We will subtract this number 9408, 1138. We will subtract this number from 9408. So 9408 and 1138. Okay, so 8 minus 8 0. We will borrow 1, 10, 10 minus 3 7. Here is 3, 3 minus 1 2. Now here is 9, 9 minus 1 8. So 8270. Okay, see the second question. What must you add to 18,345 to make it 19,624? So what must you add to 18,345? हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर इसमें ऐड करेंगे जिससे 19,624 हमको मिले? सो वी विल राइट हेयर 18,345 add which number we will add here, and we get 19,624. सो हमें इसके अंदर ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे जिससे, ये ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे जिससे हमको क्या मिल जाए? ये जो हमारा ब्लैंक हमको दिया हुआ है, विच नंबर वी विल गेट फ्रॉम दिस नंबर वी विल ऐड और सब्सट्रैक्ट. या तो हम ऐड करेंगे या फिर सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल सब्सट्रैक्ट द नंबर 19,624 18,345. Okay, we will subtract 18,345 subtract from the 19,624. Okay, and then we get the answer 1,279. Here is 4, so we will borrow 1. Here is 14, 14 minus 4 5 9. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, here is 9. So here is 11, 11 minus 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 7. We will write here 7. Okay, so we will solve like this and do the subtract these numbers. Second B is, if you subtract 23,146 from a number, you are left with 35,906. So find the number. So which number we will subtract from the number you are left with 35,906? How we will write? Here is given Okay, and we will write here 23,000 146 is equals to 35,906. Okay, so we will add these numbers. We will add these numbers. Which number? 35,906 and 23,146. Okay, when we will add these numbers, then we get this number. Okay, so because 6 minus 6 is 0, 6 plus 6 12, 2 carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 7 8 9 and 3 plus 2 5, 59,052. We will write here 59,052. Okay, and the remaining two questions that you will try yourself. Third is, Khalid wants to buy a board game that cost is 501 rupees. How much? 501 rupees, and he has 479 rupees. So how much more money does he need? उसको और कितनी मनी चाहिए उस कैरम बोर्ड को, उस बोर्ड को जो उसको परचेस करना है, बाय करना है, वो कितने का आ रहा है? दैट कॉस्ट इज 501 एंड ही हैज ओनली 479. सो द लेफ्ट मनी दैट ही वांट, वी विल राइट हियर द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ बोर्ड game is 501 rupees, an amount he had only 479. This money he had. Okay, so we will subtract this money from this. Okay, so here is the 1, we will borrow 1, 11 minus 9, 10 11 2, we will write here 2, here is 9, 9 minus 7 2, 8 9. Okay, and here is 4, 4 minus 4 0. So how much money he wants? 22 rupees more. Okay, he need 22 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. Next question is, Harshita Stamps album can hold 1500 स्टाम्प्स. हाउ मेनी? 1500 स्टाम्प. जो हर्षिता के पास स्टाम्प एल्बम है वो कितने स्टाम्प्स होल्ड कर सकते? दैट कैन होल्ड ओनली 500 स्टाम्प्स. ओके, so far she has pasted 785 stamps in it, or already she has pasted the stamps 785. Okay, how many more stamps can she paste in it? और इस एल्बम में कितनी स्पेस है कि वो और स्टाम्प्स को उसके अंदर होल्ड कर सकती है? तो व्हाट वी विल डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन, नंबर ऑफ स्टाम्प्स इज 10 hold how many? 1500. Okay, and number of stamps she pasted 785. Okay, इतने स्टाम्प्स वो ऑलरेडी शी पेस्टेड इन दिस एल्बम. एंड हाउ मेनी? more. So we will subtract this. So here we will borrow 1, 10 minus 5 5, here is 9, 9 minus 8 1, here is 14, 14 minus 7 7. So 1715 stamps she can paste it in this album. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so this exercise you will solve very easily if you do the practice properly. Okay, and already you have a PDF of this chapter, and today this chapter is completed. Okay, do the practice proper. Thank you so much. This is the this question is Harshita Stamps album. Harshita Stamp album can hold 1500 stamps. So far she has pasted 785 stamps in it. So how many more stamps can be pasted in it? Okay, so number of stamps album can hold. First we will write here number of stamps album can hold 1500. Okay, and number of stamps she pasted how many? 785. Okay, so how many more stamps can she paste in it? So how many she can paste in it? So we will subtract the that she is pasted already 785. We will subtract from the 1500 that stamps we can hold in album. Okay, so here we will borrow 1, 10, 10 minus 5, we will write here 5, here is 9, 9 minus 8 1, and here is 4. So 4, and here is the 14. So 14 minus 7, we will write here 715. So the answer is 715 stamps she can more paste in the album. This is our answer. Okay. Thank you so much.